In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code C101b000. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check your network internet if it's stable or not. So navigate at the taskbar, click on this Wi-Fi icon, and there you can see the Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting with. Please click on that and make sure that it mark here connected and open. So if it mark here no internet, please make sure to connect to another network available in your area and then check if the error has been fixed, okay? Another solution that you can do is that you need to check for pending updates. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. So it is very crucial to update your computer to the latest version because in this way you'd be able to prevent any errors or problems in your device. So navigate here at the left pane. There you can see Windows Update. Click on here and then kindly wait until you can open the section. There you can see an option which is check for updates or resume updates. So click for check for updates or resume updates and wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I'm sure your problem will be fixed and might as well it will make improvement on your device. Okay? Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.